These buttermilk pancakes are tender, soft, not too sweet. Every single bite is going to be perfect because they're just so good. This recipe requires no equipment. All you need is a mixing bowl, a spatula for combining in all your ingredients, iron skillet which you can switch with non-stick pan, and a spatula for flipping your pancakes. Also, the ingredients are very straightforward. I have buttermilk, which is the key ingredient in this recipe, all-purpose flour, sugar to sweeten our pancakes. I have both baking powder and baking soda, which are raising agents, and then you cannot substitute one for the other, so they are both needed for this recipe. Vanilla essence, eggs, and salt. Yes, so in your mixing bowl you're going to be combining in your wet ingredients. So you start off by adding in your buttermilk, crack in 2 eggs, add in vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, when all the wet ingredients are fully combined, you're going to be adding in the dry. So I'll start off by adding baking soda, baking powder, sugar, salt to balance out the sugar, and once more you're going to combine all the ingredients until fully combined. Then you'll add in your all-purpose flour while stirring or while folding in until fully combined with the batter. If you notice little lumps while combining the batter, don't worry. Pancake batter doesn't have to be too smooth, because once you overmix the batter, the pancakes are going to turn out tough. The buttermilk will react with the baking soda and it will produce carbon dioxide gas, which makes the pancakes to turn out very fluffy. So once everything is fully combined, I'm going to place my iron skillet over medium flame and add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. Grab a brush. Then I'm going to brush in the cooking oil. Then I'll wait for the pan to get hot. I'm using half a cup to scoop out my butter. So carefully I'm going to add in my butter. And once you add in the butter, it's going to spread in the pan, creating a very nice, tall and fluffy buttermilk pancake. So after adding in your butter, you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute so that the pancake can cook on the bottom. Once you notice bubbling on top, it's time to flip your pancake. Adding in cooking oil is going to create very crispy edges, which are very delicious once you bite into your pancakes. After 1 minute, I'm going to use my spatula and flip my pancake. Gorgeous. Then I'm going to let the pancake cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. Check on my pancake and it's ready. I'm going to transfer to the plate. Brush a little bit with some more cooking oil. Your pan should be hot, but not too hot, so that you can create that crispy edge. Scoop up my butter. Add in my pan. Let the butter spread and cook. My pancakes are still warm and I've served up with some honey, which is going to add in a little bit of sweetness to the pancakes. Also, you can add in some maple syrup or any syrup that you have in the house, whether it's blueberry, salted caramel syrup, or strawberry syrup, and the pancakes are going to be so delicious. So hope you'll be trying out this recipe and catch you on my next video.